Masha. Come on, doggy. Good girl. Come on, Masha. Come on. Good dog.
Masha, why? Why are you walking like that?
Come here, Masha. Come.
Is she really just doing that because it's not because something feels weird about it, it's because she doesn't know how to do it. So strange.
Now she's walking a little more normally. Oh, she's funny. Come here, Masha. Come. Good doggy. Good doggy. Good doggy.